everyone, TPS Miner here. Welcome back to the TPS Miner channel. I recently did a video on how to mine AION, and now that we've mined some AION, I want to do a video on how to stake the AION that we've mined. So in today's video, we're going to show you how to stake AION, and we're going to be using our Ledger Nano X hardware wallet to do it. So if you don't have a Ledger hardware wallet, you can go over to shop.ledger.com and you can pick up either the Nano X or the Nano S. Both of those will work for what we're doing today. I'm also going to put some Amazon affiliate links down in the description below. As an Amazon affiliate, if you do use those links to purchase a Ledger device, I may receive a commission for those purchases. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to set up Ledger Live. So we're going to need to download the app, and we're going to be doing the desktop version. So we're going to hit download, and we'll be doing Windows. Okay, the installation is complete, so we'll go ahead and hit finish and run Ledger Live. And we get to the setup page. Let's go ahead and click Get Started. So we'll accept the terms of service and privacy policy and enter the app. So our device is a Nano X, so we'll select Nano X. And we already have a recovery phrase because we've set this up prior, so we'll click Already Have a Recovery Phrase. If this is the first time setting up your Nano X, you would click on Set Up a New Nano X and follow the instructions. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and enter my recovery phrase off camera. We entered in our recovery phrase. We do have our Ledger Nano X displayed in Ledger Live now. And you can see I've selected the option for Manager here. And we see this choice for App Catalog. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in AION. And you see we get an AION app here. Mine is installed. So you'll go ahead and install the AION app. And what this is going to do is allow you to send and receive AION from your Ledger Nano X. Okay, so once we've got the app installed, then we have everything we're going to need to be able to go over to the AION staking wallet, and that is my-aion.theoan.com home. And let's first go ahead and look at the staking pools that are available. So a couple of different things to talk about here with the pools. The first thing I do want to point out is that the staking reward as of today, January 20th, 2022, the staking reward is 7.15%. And what you see here is a list of all of the different staking pools that are available, their status, whether they're active or inactive, the fees for each of those pools, and their performance. So I wanted to point out these Open Future Foundation pools are a 100% fee pool. So what this is, these are pools where as an individual staking, you will not receive any rewards. So do not stake to these pools. Some of these do have rather large fees. Others are a bit less, but you can click on the down arrow next to each one of the pools and get information about them. Personally, I am choosing to stake to the AION pool, staking pool. The AIONpool.tech team is doing a lot of great things for the AION project, and I do want to support them. So the fee to stake to this pool is 8%, but I think it's very worthwhile. The performance is 107%, so quite good performance. So if we click on the down arrow and get a little bit more information, one of the things you can see is what their stake weight is. So currently the AION pool has 10.84% of the staked AION in this pool. So again, there's a very strong representation of the AION community staking in this pool. And you can see the total amount staked is, what is this, 10,114,113 AION with a remaining capacity of 7.785 million. So there's plenty of room to add to the staking pool. And again, I will be staking to this pool. So from here, we can click on Stake to this pool. And what this will do is ask you to sign into your wallet. In this case, we're going to be using our Ledger. and this is the recommended method for staking. So let's click on this, and it's going to ask me to sign in. So step 1, connect your Ledger device to your computer. Step 2, open the AION application on your Ledger device. So I do have my Ledger plugged in, so I am going to go ahead and do this very quickly. And once I've completed the sign in and I've selected the AION app from my Ledger device, I get this menu that shows me a bunch of different addresses and then the total amount of AION that belongs to each one of those addresses. So I'm going to select this one. I've got 38.89 AION in this wallet. So I'll select that one and I will hit continue. It's going to ask me how much I want to stake to the AION pool. So I'm going to stake the entire balance. And this pool will charge you 8% of your rewards. Again, we discussed that. I'm okay with that. I'll hit stake AION. And I'll go back over to the Ledger device. And I'm going to review the transaction. I'll accept the transaction. And I get a confirmation that my AION is successfully staked. So that's it. That's all there is to it. All right, and let's do one final review of the transaction. So you can see we do have staked 38.86 AION in the AION pool. And we do have the option to auto stake our rewards. So just by toggling this the switch here, we have the option of paying 0.00021 AION. It's a one-time fee to enable auto staking. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And we're going to be asked to confirm that transaction on the Ledger device. And I'll go ahead and do that off camera. So that's all we had for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something today. I hope this was helpful. If you did enjoy the video, please give us a thumbs up, hit the like button. Please consider subscribing to the channel and hit the notification bell for future content. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you again real soon.